Hello friends, welcome back to Odoo development tutorial video. So far we have covered the module structure of one Odoo module and what are the components of an Odoo module and how these components are bound together using the manifest and the init.py files. Then we uh, had a look at how we can create a module structure, empty module structure using scaffold method, and using that structure we created our own module Open Academy, and then we added a business object into that module called Open Academy course. Then we created menus for them and then action to get those records using the menu. Then we added some demo data using data files, XML files, into that business object. So these are the things that we have done so far. Now, as we mentioned in the previous video, we are going to look at how we can define some basic views for our business object. The basic views means that tree view, or you can call it as a list view, and form view. Then we will look into the search view. So these are the things that we are going to cover in this video. So tree view, form view, and search view. Okay, so this is the default tree view that we have in Odoo automatically provides for a new business object by default. When we click on it will have a uh, form view also. So it's a default mechanism. In the Since we are in developer mode, you can check the view. Okay, edit form view. You see there is no data, so it's a just a normal representation from Odoo side. Okay, so there is no views defined for this business object. Also in the list view also you can see courses. Sorry, we click on the edit action, edit view. So there is nothing given, right? So even the name is not there, so it's just Odoo is showing these things with their own mechanism. So we are going to define a view for this business object. So let's get into our PyCharm and see how the code will be. So as we have mentioned in our previous video, these views are defined using the XML files. So here we created our menus and actions for this business object Open Academy course in our openacademy.xml file, and we are providing the views also in the same file. So let's see. So this is the tree, that means the list view definition that I have given, and you can refer to the default thing the scaffold command gave us. So here you see the list view definition. They are commanded all these things by default. So here the record ir.ui. So these all the views are the records of ir.ui.view model. That means all these things are stored in the database in this table. Okay, so it's just like our demo data or other data files, the same structure we are following here. You can see that the demo, you see the model, we will give a model and then ID and other fields, value for other fields, just like that. Okay, so it's a model and ID for that view, and then value for other fields. So here the this view will have a name, so it's given as Open Academy list, and the model is openacademy.openacademy. It's an example, don't confuse with the real thing that we are going to do. It's an example that scaffold method gave us. So again, then the architecture, then the tree tag that represents this is a tree view definition, and then the fields that we need in the list view. Okay, the columns that we need in the list view. So this is the basic structure of the tree view. So in our case, we only have two fields, right? We only have the name and description field. So I gave the both in that list view. So here currently you only have the title. So the title means the name. Okay, so we put the uh, string as title in our field definition. That's why the name in the UI comes as uh, title. So then the description field. So these are the fields that we have given in our only fields that we have, and both are given in our tree view definition. And now I have added these two. Let's cover this first. Okay, now this openacademy.xml file is already mentioned in our manifest. So let's check what is change that this record will bring into our user interface. Okay, let's go to apps, update, Open Academy. You see the description is also came here. Now when you check the edit view list, you can see the name of the view, course list, and the model is here, Open Academy course. So all the things that just things that we gave there is shown up here. Okay, now if you want this, if you don't want the description field here, you can remove that from your tree view definition, and you can add, if you have more than two fields, you can add more fields like that. So I will show you some examples, like in the apps, you see this is the kanban view. So here we have the module name, technical name, or the website, latest version, those kind of details. So same way you can add your own data. Okay, so these views, these are the simple views that we are basic views that we are discussing in this video. There are other views, we will go through that later in the coming videos. We will go through that, like a kanban view, this one, and Gantt views, cohort view, those kind of advanced views are there. So we will go through that later. So now we have covered the tree view. Okay, we added a description field, and also there are some advanced options in the tree view, like giving different colors for each item based on some conditions, and showing total below, those kind of things are there. So we will go in deep when we are in our upcoming videos in that part. So now we are just going through the basics of these views, these three views. Then the next thing that we have is the form view. So here, this is the form view that I created. So here the same this record is comes under the model ir.ui view, and we have given a unique ID course form view, and the name is course.form, and then again the model is given as Open Academy course. So same object, and we are going to define form view for this same object that we created. uh, tree view. Okay, then the form tag. Okay, and we have given the name, the string, as course form. Then this sheet tag, I will show you the difference, how this what's the difference this sheet tag is making. Then inside a group we put the name and description. Okay, now let's update the module once again, then check what is the change we are going to see in our user interface. Okay, so okay, go to the apps again, upgrade Fun Academy. Okay, you see the title Odoo development, description Odoo development. There's nothing different right now, but you can see the details here. See, the view definition that we gave there is showing here, and the name is here, and other details. And there is I forgot to mention this in the preview session. So external ID, so this is the external ID outside this module. If you want to access this view for in your later in the coming videos, you will see how we can inherit views from other add-ons. So uh, this is how we should call the views from outside this module. So open academy dot course form view. So this course form view is the id that we gave in our record. This is the module name. Okay, so this is how the module is referenced outside this open academy module. So this is our form view. We defined a form view. Now let's make a small change in our form view definition. And yeah, first let's get rid of this sheet and let's see how that behaves in our user interface. You see, there were a sheet like a page or something like that. So now it's disappeared. So that's the importance of this sheet tag. Okay, we are uncommenting that part. Then now we are putting a notebook tag. Inside that notebook we have a page called description and another page called about. Okay, so this will have a two tabs under our form view. Okay, so let's see. Sorry. You see, now we have a notebook. This is our notebook. The first page is here, the description is given here, and about is here. So we don't need the description in two places, so we can comment that from here. Okay, now this description will be under the only available under the notebook tag. See, now the title here, this description, and in about there is no input field, we just put a text there to represent two pages. So this is a very basic form view definition. There are a lot of examples that you can refer to inside Odoo, like the sale order views and custom invoice views, customer views. A lot of examples that you can refer to there. You see more advanced options like smart buttons, kind of things. So it's just a first step. We are just opening up into the form view definition, and next thing that we are going to do is we are defining a search view. Search view means here in our search we don't have too much options, right? You can see under the filters there is nothing except the add custom filter. Under the go by we don't have nothing. Under the favorites, nothing else. Okay, under search also there's nothing. So we are going to define something there, like when we go to the apps, it's also a business object. Okay, under the IR module, so this is also a business object. And you can see there is a favorite. Okay, open, see, and there is some filters, apps, extra, installed, not installed. Under the group by there is other category states. So we are checking how they are defined, these things. Okay, when you click on this and try to write something, there are two options coming: search module for SDF, search category for SDF. Okay, like that we are defining a search view for this. You can see when we click only just title, this option is only, so we don't have two options. Even if I want to search the course based on the description, uh, it's not possible now, so I have to define that part also. So that's what we are going to do now here. So this record is for the search view. So same again, like the form view or tree view, this also an object or a record inside ir.ui view. And we have given a unique id course search view, and the name is given as course.search. The open academy course is the object, same as form view or tree view. And then inside the search tag we put the name and description, both fields we have given here. So let's see how this will work. Okay, now let's go to the apps, open academy, upgrade, open academy, upgrade. Let's go to the order, open academy module, to the courses, and then Odoo development is our course object. Everything is fine. Now let's check the search view. Okay, so let's type something here. See, two options. We have the two options. You can either search with for the title, or you can search for the description. So let's give the lines. So here there is this course one don't have any description, so let's put the tutorial. When I search with the title, I won't get nothing. Then with the search with the description, I will get one. Okay, so the search is happens based on this description column of that object. I hope it's pretty much clear. We will discuss in detail in the coming videos regarding the search view, and we will see how we can add filters, group by, those kind of things in the coming videos. So to watch all those things, please subscribe to our channel and watch the coming videos. In the next video we will discuss about the relational fields. Okay, the relational fields means there are fields that help us to connect two different more than two different business objects together. Like under the sales order you have sale order lines, right? In the under the invoice, in the same view, in invoice you have the invoice lines. In the sale order or invoice you can select a customer that is in a different business object. So something like that. Okay, we will go through that part in the next video. So for watching and getting notification about the coming videos, please subscribe to our channel and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please put your comments or feedbacks or anything that you want to share with us in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Have a nice